Garbage disposal smells terrible? That rotten smell coming from the sink is trapped food debris. Here's how to eliminate it and keep it from coming back. The ice and salt trick: fill the disposal with ice cubes and a handful of coarse salt. Run cold water and turn on the disposal. The ice and salt scrub the walls and grinding plate, knocking loose stuck food particles. Run for 30 seconds. The citrus trick: after the ice treatment, cut a lemon or orange into quarters. Drop them in one at a time with the disposal running and cold water flowing. The citrus oils deodorize and leave a fresh scent. The vinegar and baking soda method: pour half a cup of baking soda into the disposal. Follow with 1 cup of white vinegar. Let it fizz for 10 minutes. Then flush with hot water for 30 seconds with the disposal running. The rubber splash guard: lift the black rubber splash guard inside the drain opening. The underside accumulates disgusting food sludge that causes most disposal odors. Scrub it with an old toothbrush and dish soap. This is the most overlooked source of the smell. Prevention tips: always run cold water before, during, and after using the disposal. Cold water solidifies grease so the disposal can chop it up. Never pour grease down the disposal. Run it for 10 seconds after all food is processed to clear the chamber. If the smell persists after all of these steps, there may be a clog in the drain pipe downstream from the disposal. Disposal maintenance and repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.